Welcome to the Mat Shack. Today I'm going to be showing you what it's like to experience an elephant encounter at Shamwari Private Game Reserve. Enjoy.
Sunrise whispers, the day's begun. Golden skies, where the rivers run. Dusty roads, the horizon hums. Africa, here we come. Feel the beat of the drum underneath the blazing sun. Africa, here we come. Footsteps soft on ancient ground. Every heartbeat a sacred sound. The earth is calling, we are found. Wide open skies, endless blue. Dreams take flight, we follow through. Africa, here we come. Feel the beat of the drum underneath the blazing sun. Africa, here we come. Africa, here we come. Hands raised high, we're alive, dancing winds where the spirits thrive.
This one, next one.
Pink,
Yeah, thank you.
100%. Please enjoy.
Lekker.